called Momala.
Wow.
And it goes, the barbecue is going on and nobody is eating. Barbecue is going on and nobody is eating. I say, don't be Momala, don't be Momala, don't be Momala. That chicken kind of thing. Don't be Momala, don't be Momala, don't be Momala. Potato salad, 'cause then you're missing out. It's good, chow. And I'm not messing with you, bro. If you don't chow, I'll kick you out. Oh, dear, so don't be Momala, don't be Momala, don't be Momala. True nice. Don't be Momala, don't be Momala, don't be Momala. At least my lips had know the house. If you're still not down, hey wow, boy I'll beat you down at the next rubber house. Hey wow, so don't be Momala, 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 don't be Momala. So here we are now at the next private house, and I do beat you down, all because you didn't want to chow, but Prim, you want to chow right now. I got some chow at the house. Hey,